I'm on. The mountain and the sea. This is what exactly Faye was saying about.
I would also sing about it if I had this view every day from the capital. Let's go this area.
Next.
Look, it's a tripod.
Maybe one picture from you.
Huh? You want picture?
You
With
take
you?
also picture. No, no.
I have. Here. We enter also this one. Rolex Original. I think this is about the blood from Israel. This I will put closer. This is the oldest mosque.
Military army, no entrance. The other entrance.
Now we stop. We don't step the shoes there. This is
It's
the,
open.
we can put our shoes here.
يعطيك العافية. فاتح المسجد؟
لك تفتح ممكن يدق على الباب طبعا المجمع جوا الشاب. راجل يفتح لك الباب.
And see abaya?
يمكن عندك حاجة. دق.
No shoes, baby.
أول اسمع.
He said knock harder so they can hear you. يعطيك العافية. نقدر نشوف المسجد؟ 1 minute.